I could not be happier. It's 1 year later. It's a wonderful, wonderful night. Faraday Okoro won the Untold Stories Award last year, and 1 year later his film is about to be premiered in about 1 minute in a real movie theatre. His family's here, they're so excited, his cast and crew is here, and more importantly, the world is going to get to see a story that otherwise would never have been made. We're thrilled.
I'm excited. You know, it's been quite a year, and for me, I just love showing my film to the world. You know, I feel great. Like, this is a great venue, and AT&T and Tribeca have really set a high bar. We had no idea how big it could become.
I can't imagine a better way to bring to life the diversity of our employees,
Writers or producers to be aware of this program.